4 must-follow steps if you want to lose your belly fat. How many times have you broken your New Year's resolution after swearing that once and for all you'll get rid of that annoying bulge on your belly? Come on, don't be shy. We completely understand your dilemma. Why is it so hard to stay fit and lose weight? Is the whole universe against you, never allowing you to achieve your dream of having a six-pack? Don't worry. Brightside will help you reach your goal of losing that extra belly fat. There are exercises that can help you get in shape fast if you take the right approach. Today, we'll tell you about the basic stages every person must go through if they want to lose those extra inches from their belly. But before we knock out the flab on your belly, hit the subscribe button and turn on that little notification bell so you won't miss any of our new videos. Now, let's get started. Stage 1. Reconsider your diet. During your so-called losing weight saga, how many times has your cheat day turned into a cheat week? This causes you to lose interest, hope, and motivation completely. We know that food is life, and who doesn't love food? You're perfectly aware of what not to eat. Perhaps you've even got a note on the door of your fridge, or you've installed a daily meal planner app to monitor your diet. You know that you should try to minimize the amount of sugar and carbs in your diet, and that you should replace soda with tea, sweet scones with nuts and fruit, and sugar with honey. You try to eat more vegetables and get more fiber into your diet. You've cut back on your carbs and you eat protein-rich foods like meat, fish, seafood, and eggs to boost your metabolism, all while avoiding sugary snacks and fruit juice, but still being a tea or coffee lover. Yada yada yada. So what's the problem? It's all in the mind. Are you familiar with the saying, mind over matter? When you want to lose extra inches from your waistline, it's important to mind your eating habits and stick to your diet. There is a scientific explanation for this, but we're going to skip that for now so that you don't zone out on all the science stuff and grab a bag of potato chips instead. So onward to the juicy details. What are the reasons you can't stop eating? Number 1. You can't decide if it's hunger or appetite. Be aware of what your body and mind tell you before you eat a tub of ice cream or any kind of junk food. Are you truly hungry, as in you need to eat and have the "it's time to eat" type of hunger? Otherwise, maybe you simply want a snack or indulge in your cravings. Number 2. You've mistaken hunger for thirst. Try to sip some water, coffee, or tea. Remember, no sugary drinks when a pang of hunger hits. Scientists from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign found that people who are well hydrated can burn off 205 calories a day just through a combination of being well hydrated and cutting back on sugar, sodium, saturated fat, and cholesterol. Number 3. You're stressed. Many studies have shown that stress can lead to overeating or not eating at all. It can activate higher cortisol levels, which produce glucose. This glucose triggers the hunger hormones. Try to beat that stress to triumph over binge eating. Number 4. You don't stop eating when you're full. Pay attention once you hit the "I'm full" meter. This is the time when you say, "Oh, I'm stuffed." But don't take too long to warn yourself. For example, after you've had your 3rd helping. Number 5. You always sleep past your bedtime. A lack of sleep can fire up ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and weaken leptin, the hormone that tells you when you're full. So get enough shut-eye to stop that ghrelin messing with your appetite. We're now clear on how important it is to reconsider your diet and eating habits when you want to lose weight. Time to move on to the next stage. Stage number 2. Get rid of that extra weight. Roll up your sleeves. We're now getting down to business. This is a stage where you have to move it. Diet without exercise is totally meh. You're getting thin, but you're not getting into shape. Why is exercise so important when you're trying to lose extra belly fat? According to Sean Arendt, yep, we're citing scientific explanation to convince you, an exercise scientist at Rutgers University, it improves insulin sensitivity and increases fat loss. Here's our starter pack to help you burn those calories. Run for 30 minutes a day and you'll soon see positive changes in your figure. If it's too hard for you to run 30 minutes at the beginning, you can walk and run. Running burns 2.5 times more calories than walking. Second, swimming. Swim for at least 30 minutes 2 or 3 times a week. Choose the style and pace you like. The most important thing is to stay moving because any exercise in water helps you lose weight. 1 hour of intensive swimming can help you burn 500 calories. The last option is cycling. Riding a bicycle is a basic exercise you can do if you want to lose weight. Do it 2 to 3 times a week at a comfortable pace. You can combine 2 of the 3 exercises or alternate each. Whichever you prefer, make sure you're comfortable doing it. Stage number 3. Strengthen your abs. Cardio exercises like running, swimming, and cycling will help you lose extra weight, but they won't make your belly absolutely flat. You need a complex approach to help you lose weight while strengthening your muscles. We have a few suggestions for you to try at home. Grab your exercise mat, change into your workout clothes, and let's get started. The vacuum is a great exercise. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back with your arms by your sides. Bend your knees with your feet a little wider apart. Breathe out all the air in your lungs and diaphragm. Breathe in and pull your abdominals in toward your spine. Hold your breath for 15 to 20 seconds. Let's do a quick dry run by doing this for 15 seconds. Ready? Go! Hold it, hold it, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale. Repeat this 10 times 3 to 4 times a day, and you'll notice that your waist has gotten smaller after a few weeks. A plank is a simple but very effective exercise. It's so simple that all you have to do is remain stationary for a few seconds. Here's how. Get down and form a push-up position. Bend your elbows at 90 degrees and put your weight on your forearms. Your shoulders must be aligned with your elbows. Keep your body straight from head to toe. Hold that position for 30 seconds. Are you ready to try it? This is for 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go! Aside from burning calories and making the abs stronger, it also improves posture and relieves back strain. Just a little more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Do this 2 or 3 times a day for 30 seconds, gradually increasing the duration. Do you feel the burn in your muscles now? Great. We'll move on. Stage number 4. Get muscle relief. For this stage, you'll perform 2 types of exercise, crunches and leg raises. First stop, crunches. This exercise doesn't burn a lot of calories, but it strengthens your abdominal muscles. We'll show you the right way to do it. Lie flat on your back. Put your fingertips behind your ears. Do not put your hands around the back of your neck. Point your elbows out to either side. Bend your knees with your feet a little wider apart. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground quickly. Exhale while you rise. Move back to the starting position. Inhale while you do this. Get it? Now, do this for 10 reps. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow! Are you a pro or something? You can increase the repetitions as you progress. Do this once a day for a month for the best results. These exercises will make your ab and core stronger, and strengthening your core will take pressure off your other muscle groups. The last exercise for the day is leg raises. This one is easy compared to crunches. Simply follow these steps. Lie on your back and put your hands on the floor for balance. Slowly raise your legs 10 to 15 times. Your legs should form a straight line. Now it's your turn to do it. Since you're a beginner, we'll do 10 reps. Are you ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10! Whoa! You're amazing! By the way, leg raises target your lower abs and hip muscles, making them more toned. You'll begin to notice an improvement in just 30 days. To sum it all up, here's the game plan to transform your pinchable belly into a ripped six-pack. First, reconsider your eating habits and strictly follow your diet. Next, choose a cardio workout that suits you. Do you prefer running, cycling, or swimming? If you want to do a triathlon, go ahead. Third, cardio goes well with abdominal muscle strengthening. And last, include muscle relief exercises to make your abs and core stronger. Since you've successfully performed the entire workout routine in this video, we've got a bonus for you. After a workout, take a cold shower. Low temperatures don't just help to reduce the amount of lactic acid in the body, which causes muscle pain, they also burn additional calories by making the body work harder to stay warm. Wait a minute! Before you head to the shower, do you know of any other methods to lose extra inches from your waist? Tell us in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share this video to let others know about this guaranteed technique to battle a flabby belly. Be sure to visit our channel to watch more fitness videos like this one. Stay tuned and join us on the bright side of life.